We are now going to begin dispensing medication for our patient. There are two types of medication order dispensing. There's dispensing according to a medication order in a patient who is admitted while pharmacy is here and entering medication orders, and then dispensing according to an override or pick list for those types of patients in the ER or OR, or patients admitted when pharmacy isn't here. We're going to begin with dispensing a medication according to a medication order. Simply select your patient and hit continue. Whenever in doubt, follow these green buttons. The system is going to default to showing all the medications that are due to be dispensed. Any medication that is due to be dispensed and is stocked in your cabinet will appear in green. Green means good to go. We're going to begin by dispensing an acetaminophen tablet for this patient. The details of the order will appear in the box below in gray. You should always have your CMARs at the terminal with you to compare the medications that you're dispensing with what is scheduled on your CMARs. I select my medication by touching it. It will be highlighted in blue. I simply hit dispense and the drawer will open to dispense the medication. Again, this is where I will see that the medication I need is in pocket B. I simply pull the medication out of pocket B. In this case, I selected my doses for 2 tablets, so I'm picking 2 tablets out of the drawer and then closing the drawer. When I'm ready to dispense the next medication for this patient, I can simply hit back and move on to the next item. I'm now going to be dispensing my hydromorphone tablet. Again, I highlight the medication in blue. The details are down here. I hit dispense, and the medication will drop down from that unit dose module. The second type of medication dispensing is for a patient on override. In this case, it may be a patient admitted when pharmacy is no longer here. I simply select my patient by touching the screen, highlighting it in blue, and then hit continue. In this case, my show due window is now empty. I can hit this to change to show all. Again, it is empty. This means I need to hit override to select from a list of medications available at the Med Select stations. The system will default to generic name and sort in alphabetical order. You can find your medication by simply typing the first few letters of the medication name, and it will automatically bring you to that name. Just be sure that you're typing the generic name if you have generic name highlighted. If you wish to sort or select by brand name, simply hit trade name to change to trade name and begin typing the first few letters of that drug name. When you have found the medication that you are looking for, simply select it by touching the screen, enter the dispense quantity that you require, hit accept, and then hit dispense. The drawer will then open, and again, the letter on the screen will guide you to the pocket in which the medication is stored. Simply take out the medication that you requested and close the door. You can hit back to continue dispensing your medications for that patient. Medications should always be dispensed for 1 patient at a time. When you are all done getting the medications that you require for that patient, simply hit log out in the top corner. And that completes training on dispensing according to a med order and dispensing for patients on override.